Are you looking to maximize your online income? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we will be discussing some tips and tricks to help you earn more money online. First and foremost, focus on your niche. Choose something you are passionate about and have expert knowledge in. This will help you stand out and provide value to your audience. Create quality content that meets your audience's needs. This means doing your research and staying up to date with industry trends. Be consistent with your content creation and posting schedule. This builds trust with your audience. Engage with your audience and build a community. This creates a loyal following, which can translate into more income. Utilize social media platforms to promote your content. Post regularly and interact with your followers. Consider guest posting on other websites and blogs. This offers more exposure and credibility. Invest in email marketing. Create value-based content and nurture your email list with automation. Consider diversifying your income streams. Don't rely on just one platform or source of income. Offer paid products or services, such as courses or consultations. Use affiliate marketing to earn commissions through promoting products. Focus on search engine optimization, SEO, for your website. This helps your content rank higher on search engines and increases organic traffic. Stay informed on industry updates and changes. This ensures you stay relevant and can adjust your strategies accordingly. Track your analytics and adjust your strategies as needed. Stay organized and set goals for your income and growth. Invest in your education and skills to continually improve. Take breaks and avoid burnout. Find a healthy balance between work and personal life. Understand your worth and don't undersell yourself. Negotiate fair rates and don't settle for less. Avoid scams and do your research before working with any company or individual. Protect your personal and financial information. Stay patient and consistent with your efforts. Remember, success takes time and hard work. Maximizing your online income is possible with the right strategies and mindset. Keep pushing forward and don't give up.